Hi, and welcome to my channel. You may have watched me create this personal budget table in Excel. Now we will be creating this table in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. To insert a table, click on the Insert tab and click on Table. Place your cursor over the boxes to select 4x6. Click to select. Let's add 2 more rows. Click and drag to highlight 2 rows. Click on Insert. Click on Insert Row below. We will merge the top row. Click to drag from the first column to the fourth. Right-click and select Merge Cells. We will add a title. To center our title, click on the Home tab. Click on the center icon. Type Personal Budget. We will add shade on the top row. Click and drag from the first column to the end of the fourth column in the first row. Click on the arrow next to the shading bucket icon and select your shade. We will add shading on the second row. Click and drag from the first column to the fourth. Click on the arrow next to the shading bucket icon and select your shade. Next, we will add headings. Type the number sign, type amount, expense category, and type of expense. To make the headers bold, click on the first column of the second row and drag to the fourth column to highlight. Click on B under the Home tab. We will number the rows 1 through 5. Use the down arrow on your keyboard to move to the row below. Type total in the 6th row. Double-click to highlight total and click on B to make it bold. Fill in the details under each column. The benefits in doing calculations in Excel is that it allows you to automate the calculations with formulas. And you can easily create drop-down menus. I will leave a link in the description to learn how to calculate in Excel and how to create a drop-down list. We will add shading to our last row. Click and drag from the first column to the fourth. Click on the bucket icon to apply the previous shade. Congratulations, you're all done. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe.